How to restore deleted reels on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go down on the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above. Click on that and then go to your activity option. As you go to your activity option, then you have to go down and go on recently deleted. Over here you will have anything that has been deleted in the last 28 days. So you have to click on the reel that you want to restore, then click on these three dots that are located down and click on that. Now after clicking on that, then you have to click on restore option. As you click on restore option, then your reel will be restored. That's all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.